everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry if I look a little tired or sound tired. I've just been at uni till 8 p.m. today, got home, made dinner, and then I saw this package and I just had to come and open it like straight away because I can't just leave that, you know, I can't. This is a package sent to me from America, and it's from Chopperstrunk. Johnny, big love to Johnny. We have worked together before. I think it was about a year ago. He sent me a bundle like this, and I opened it on like an Instagram live, which is still on my Instagram if you want to check that out after this one, sneaky. But yeah, I haven't like opened it. Well, I've opened it, I haven't looked inside. I actually did open it on camera, but then I wasn't filming, and I opened this whole box with these. So I wish you guys could have seen that. It went on for like 10 minutes, but it was mint. So this, I believe, is a rock and roll bundle, sort of orientated around the Rolling Stones, which is kind of like what I am. There's Mick, the shrine above my bed. So yeah, Johnny knows me really well at this point, and I know kind of what's in here. I know there are a few surprises, but I haven't like refreshed my mind in a while, and I wanted to open it up with you. Well, not really with you, but like with you watching. So let's start. I'm just going to open package by package and look at that wrapping. I already took one out before I noticed I wasn't filming. Thank God I realised. And let's get into this. So it says the old lady. I hope he's not referring to me. I knew the wrapping was going to be so nice. It always is with him. Oh, I'm already loving it. This is what we have. Let's jump in. Start with this little eagle pouch. Just got an embroidered patch on here. There's something inside. Okay, so the thing is, I don't know how much of this I can show on here. I'm gonna have to be careful. But we're starting with some rolling papers, adult rolling papers. We've got a beaver on it and a lady on the back, which I cannot show you. Okay, I definitely can't show the inside, but this is amazing. Oh, amazing, I've always wanted, oh no way. So these are little incense matches. Look at the colours. So you can just light the match, let it burn. And they're just in here. That's so cool. I've always wanted little ones that I can carry around and just, you know, pluck that negative energy out of the room. Oh, beautiful. Little necklace. Amazing. Go with some beautiful boobs on there. Oh, it's really cool. It's like heavy as well. Like it's really good quality. I love it. And then Electric Warrior. Johnny from Chopperstrunk works with them a lot, I believe. Blue match is brilliant. Really cool. Okay, next little package in here. Oh, how cool. Easy Riders. It's like a sort of vinyl-y print. Guy on that sick motorbike. Little top. Oh, it's so sweet. And then this little like tank top. Easy Riders. So sick. I love that. And a little like logo in the inside as well. Retro reprint. Really sick. These are really soft as well. Amazing. We have this patch. What the hell? Ride to live, live to ride. That is gorgeous and it's shiny. Man, what am I gonna put that on? I know I need to put that on something, but I'm just gonna be too nervous to do anything to that. Easy Riders magazine. That is so cool. How to get rid of your woman. An Englishman comments on sporty great old lady contest. Man, how do I show you this properly? Oh my god. We've got naked ladies, motorbikes, What else could you want in here? We cover up her. I love it. Really cool stuff. This is the Playmate. Oh, I see, so they're in different categories. Here's the next package. Organised very well, I must say. Let's start with the t-shirt. Okay, so I did see this one. He sent it to me, but I didn't know there was a back print and everything. So cool. Playboy Festival 86. Oh, amazing. Super cute. I love a back print. Man, you have no idea. It's very intriguing to me. This little red leather purse. Some gold details on the front. Also, we have a little Playboy badge. Amazing. I think this is a vintage one. Yeah. So sweet. And then sick. Playboy bunny knife, pocket knife. And look at this little star on the back. And it's a necklace. Man. Am I cool enough to wear things like this? I don't know. That is wicked. Oh my god, that's so cool. And good for safety. When I was walking home through East London at 8 PM by myself, I could have really used, I would have felt better if I had this. Don't know if that's legal though, so don't. Okay, how do I show you this without getting flagged? So, this is a little Playboy Playmate calendar from January 1968. What a year, what a year. Can't really show you the top. So cool. And how it's in this like frame, you can stand up. Amazing. I don't know what my mum will think about when she comes to visit my house and that is up. But you know, it's the 60s, peace and love, free love, it all reigns supreme. We have a little sunglasses case, which is always a good thing, especially when you have a lot. Oh, I'm so chuffed. Okay, so Playboy orange sunnies. What I'm so happy about is I got some orange sunglasses in my last bundle from him, and I was at in a pub and I dropped them and then I stood on them and they cracked the lens and I was so gutted. But now I've got some new orange ones and they're like square frames as well, which are like, but these are like a bit more neon. So cool. And then a little notebook. So sweet. I'm really impressed with this, to be honest. And then the last thing in here, which I definitely won't be able to show you, I can almost guarantee. Look at this. I was so excited about this. I've been collecting vintage Playboys recently. Well, I've just started, not just Playboys, but all sorts of vintage magazines. Because I think there's just a beauty art to them. And I'm a pervert, no, just kidding. But it's gorgeous. I'm not gonna flick through because, you know, there's probably better ideas than that. But I'll show you. Like, oh, this one's a 70s one, really cool. It's mostly just like adverts and like articles and boring stuff for men normally. But it's really cool to step inside that little world, you know? Okay, the last one. I think this is gonna be, oh no, there was a card. I'm such a muppet. Okay, pretend I'm reading this at the start. The chopperstrunk bundle is comprised of 3 separate mini bundles with several different looks for one dynamic mama. I truly hope you enjoy. Johnny! And then we have this little postcard. Connie, thank you so much, you're fabulous. Much love, Johnny. He's amazing. He's great. So are the heroes. Okay, I feel bad. You know when you like get a present from your nan and you don't open the card first and everyone looks at you like this? And then you're like, oh sorry, I didn't mean to. Okay, where did it go? And we've got some stickers. My laptop is excited for these. Brilliant. Love it. This is the one I've been most excited for. I didn't even mean to leave it to last, but this is the Ruby Tuesday, and I'm sure you can guess. The Rolling Stones. Oh my god. Guys, I could literally cry. Okay, starting with Cream magazine. What year is this? 1978. Mick and Ronnie. I am so grateful. Cream magazine. When I first spoke to Johnny about creating the last bundle, I said I've always wanted Cream magazine. And he found me a Beatles one, which is insane. And now my second favourite band. I can't believe it. So this is a rock and roll magazine, the most famous of the time. This is so cool. Guys. Oh, I love it. The Clash here. Ah. So cool. So cool. This little box in here. Let's undo this beautiful wrapping if I can. This is like a latex bow. Oh my god, I know what this is. I just read the back. Hi Connie, thanks for commissioning this beautiful piece. It's completely handcrafted from velvet and silk. I did my best to get as close to the original inspiration as possible with my own Electric Warrior style. Enjoy. Thank you. Guys, this is what I like. I can't believe it. Let me just show you and then I can cry about it then. Vicky Rocco, you have to follow her. She is amazing. Oh, so Mick Jagger, the man, the myth, legend, wears a black choker with gold little studs on it. There's loads of pictures of him in it. I've always wanted one. I've asked many people if they can make one, and it's never been quite what I've been looking for. And now, oh my god, I'm gonna die. I really am gonna die. This is gorgeous. I can't believe they did this. Johnny asked if there's anything in particular I wanted in this bundle, and I did send this. Guys, you have no idea how happy I am right now. And I did say this, but I didn't know if it would, be possible or anything. It is so close to the actual one. I'm gonna wear that with everything. Bloody love it. And it's so so soft. Even these little spiky bits, you can't even feel them and they just look sick. A little bag. Oh, it's got some goods in it here. So this is a vintage Mick and Keith badge. I'm fangirling so hard right now. So cool. I've never seen anything like that. Free Keith. Guys, I can't believe these items. This bundle is insane. And a little Mick Jagger badge. Badger, as they say. And then the last thing, which I've been really excited about because I saw this in the photo, is this. This is from the Black and Blue album. And it's a lighter. It's got their little faces on it. This is going to be one of those ones that I hardly ever use because I just want to save it. So maybe it's changeable, I don't know. So cool. Guys, I don't even know what to say. Mick Jagger notebook. College rules. I'm kidding, I don't know if it is college. Oh, it is college rules. Look at him in this red leather hat. 1978. And someone's written to someone in it. I can't read this right now. But that's really cool. So cool. And then the last thing, which is another amazing piece. I've forgotten the details about it exactly, but this is a vintage Rolling Stones t-shirt. Another vinyl print one. This blue and the red looks so sick. I'll probably wear this to work tomorrow because what the hell, amazing. Amazing, I can't believe it. So I've been absolutely spoiled rotten. I can't thank you guys enough, Electric Warrior and Chopperstrunk, for all of this stuff. Like, it is an absolute pleasure. I'm so happy I don't even have words. It was so nice of you guys to send this to me. Thank you. And I hope we can do something again soon. But guys, you can get curated bundles from them, and I promise you they are so particular, and every single item in these bundles are so unique. None of them are ever the same, you know, which is just so cool. So you should definitely commission one and get something. They work really hard, so I'm so happy. I love everything. I can't breathe. I really can't breathe. Okay, bye guys. I need to go to sleep. Have an amazing morning, day, afternoon, night. And I send my love to you guys. Bye.